Words are not just sounds. They are seeds. Every sentence you repeat becomes a quiet instruction to your mind. Over time, those instructions shape your habits, your emotions, your confidence, and ultimately, your future. Many people believe success begins with hard work alone, but true success also begins with the language you speak to yourself every day. There are certain words that slowly drain your energy without you even realizing it. They create invisible walls between you and the life you wish to build. The moment you become aware of these words, you also discover the power to replace them with thoughts that create strength, peace, and purpose. The first word is impossible. The moment you declare something impossible, your mind stops searching for solutions. Every great achievement once looked impossible until someone refused to believe that word. Replace "it's impossible" with "there must be a way." The second word is can't. This simple word quietly steals courage. It convinces you that your limits are permanent when they are often temporary. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I can't do this yet." That single word, "yet," keeps the door open for growth. The third word is later. Dreams rarely disappear because of failure. They disappear because of delay. Every time you say, "I'll do it later," you teach yourself that your goals are less important than your excuses. Success belongs to those who take small actions today, not perfect actions tomorrow. The fourth word is enough. Many people settle too soon because they believe they have learned enough, earned enough, or grown enough. Life rewards those who remain curious. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep expanding your understanding. A full cup cannot receive more water, but an open mind never stops growing. The fifth word is lucky. When you believe successful people are simply lucky, you overlook the discipline, patience, and countless unseen efforts behind their achievements. Instead of saying, "they're lucky," ask yourself, what habits help them succeed, and what can I learn? The sixth word is always. Statements like, "I always fail," or "things always go wrong for me," trap you inside old stories. No experience lasts forever. Every moment is new. Replace absolute judgments with honest observations. Your past may explain where you have been, but it does not decide where you are going. The seventh word is hate. Hatred is a heavy burden that quietly steals your peace. Every moment spent feeding resentment is a moment taken away from your own growth. Let go of bitterness, not because others deserve forgiveness, but because your heart deserves freedom. Notice that none of these words are powerful by themselves. They become powerful only when repeated day after day until they become beliefs. Change your beliefs, and your actions begin to change. Change your actions, and your life follows. Speak with intention. Choose words that create courage instead of fear, hope instead of doubt, patience instead of frustration, and gratitude instead of complaint. The conversations you have with yourself are the foundation of every decision you make. Success is not built in a single dramatic moment. It is built quietly through the thoughts you protect, the habits you repeat, and the words you choose every day. Before speaking, pause for a moment and ask yourself, will these words strengthen my future or weaken it? The answer to that question may change your life more than you ever imagined. Your words shape your reality. The language you use every day influences your mindset, emotions, decisions, and ultimately the direction of your life. Positive words encourage growth, while negative words create invisible limits. Many people believe that success is determined only by intelligence, money, or opportunity. But one of the most powerful forces shaping a person's future is something far simpler: the words they speak every day. Every sentence you repeat becomes a message to your own mind. Whether you realize it or not, your mind listens carefully to every thought and every word, slowly turning them into beliefs. Those beliefs influence your emotions, your decisions, your confidence, and the actions you take. If your daily language is filled with doubt, fear, and negativity, your life gradually begins to reflect those emotions. On the other hand, when your words are filled with hope, determination, and possibility, your mind starts searching for opportunities instead of obstacles. Think about how often people say things like, "I'm not good enough," "nothing ever works for me," or "I'll never succeed." These statements may seem harmless because they are spoken casually, but repeated often enough, they become silent truths in the heart. Once a belief is accepted, it quietly shapes behavior. A person who believes they cannot succeed will stop trying long before reaching their true potential. In contrast, someone who speaks with confidence and patience develops the strength to continue even when progress is slow. This is why it is important to become aware of your own language. Before speaking, ask yourself whether your words are planting seeds of growth or seeds of limitation. Every positive phrase strengthens your inner world, while every negative phrase weakens it. Success begins long before achievements become visible. It begins in the quiet conversations you have with yourself each day, because the words you choose today become the reality you experience. Avoid self-limiting words. Words like impossible, can't, and later weaken confidence, delay action, and stop you from reaching your true potential. Replacing them with empowering language opens new possibilities. One of the greatest barriers between a person and their dreams is not a lack of ability, but the belief that they are unable to succeed. Words like can't and impossible often appear small, yet they carry the power to close the doors of opportunity before we even try. When someone repeatedly tells themselves that something cannot be done, their mind begins searching for reasons to quit instead of searching for solutions. This creates a boundary that exists only in thoughts, not in reality. Many achievements that inspire the world began with uncertainty. The people who created change were not always the most talented or the most confident at the beginning. What separated them was their willingness to continue learning, adapting, and moving forward despite challenges. They understood that difficulty does not mean defeat. A difficult path is often a sign that growth is taking place. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," a wiser approach is to say, "I am learning how to do this." These words create patience and allow room for improvement. Every skill, every achievement, and every transformation begins with a first attempt. Mistakes are not signs of failure. They are lessons that guide you toward becoming better. The moment you remove limiting words from your vocabulary, you begin to see possibilities that were hidden before. Your mind becomes more creative, your confidence becomes stronger, and your actions become more courageous. Success does not require you to know every step from the beginning. It requires the willingness to take the next step, even when the entire path is not yet visible. Replace limitation with possibility, and you create space for growth, progress, and success. Success begins with inner discipline. Lasting success is created through mindful thinking, consistent action, and a willingness to keep learning instead of settling for comfort or making excuses. Many people delay their dreams not because they lack talent or desire, but because they constantly tell themselves that the right moment will come later. The word later feels comfortable because it removes the pressure of taking action today, but it can quietly become one of the biggest obstacles to success. Every time you postpone an important goal, you create distance between yourself and the life you want to build. Time is one of the most valuable gifts we have, yet many people spend it waiting for perfect conditions. They wait until they feel more confident, until they have more resources, or until life becomes easier. But the truth is that growth rarely begins in perfect circumstances. It begins when a person decides to take a small step despite uncertainty. Great achievements are usually the result of consistent small actions repeated over time. A person who reads a few pages every day gains knowledge. A person who practices a skill every day improves. A person who takes small steps toward a dream eventually creates meaningful progress. The difference between those who succeed and those who remain stuck is often the willingness to begin. The habit of saying later teaches the mind that goals can always be ignored. Over time, dreams become forgotten, opportunities pass, and regret takes the place of action. Instead of waiting for tomorrow, choose to do something today, even if it is small. A single action can create momentum, and momentum can transform your entire journey. Success does not belong only to those who have the perfect opportunity. It belongs to those who recognize the value of the present moment and use it wisely. The future is created by the choices you make today, not by the promises you keep delaying. Release negative thinking and resentment. Words rooted in fear, comparison, or hatred drain your energy and peace of mind. Letting go of these habits creates emotional freedom and allows personal growth. One of the quiet dangers on the path to success is the belief that you have learned enough, grown enough, or achieved enough. The moment a person believes they have reached the limit of their knowledge, They close the door to new possibilities. Life is constantly changing, and those who continue learning are the ones who continue growing. A mind that remains open can discover new opportunities, new solutions, and new ways to improve. Many people become comfortable after reaching a certain level of success. They stop asking questions, stop exploring, and stop challenging themselves. Comfort may feel peaceful, but staying in the same place for too long can prevent personal growth. True progress comes from curiosity and the desire to become better than you were yesterday. The world's most successful individuals understand that growth is a lifelong journey. They do not see learning as something that ends after a certain age or achievement. Instead, they continue seeking wisdom, developing skills, and gaining new experiences. They know that every person and every situation has something valuable to teach. Saying, "I know enough," can create a hidden wall between you and your potential. Instead, replace it with the mindset of "there is always more to discover." This simple shift keeps your heart humble and your mind prepared for growth. It allows you to learn from challenges, mistakes, and even unexpected moments. Success is not about knowing everything. It is about remaining willing to learn anything. When you keep expanding your understanding, you expand the possibilities available to you. A person who continues growing never becomes limited by yesterday's knowledge because they are always creating a better version of themselves. Choose words that build your future. Speak with purpose by using words that inspire courage, gratitude, patience, hope, and determination. Every positive word becomes a step toward a more successful and fulfilling life. The words we choose about ourselves and others have a deep influence on the quality of our lives. Negative emotions such as anger, resentment, and hatred can quietly consume our energy and distract us from the things that truly matter. Holding on to these feelings may feel like protection, but in reality, they often become a burden that prevents inner peace and personal growth. When a person repeatedly focuses on what hurt them, they give that experience power over their present moment. Their thoughts become trapped in the past, making it difficult to move forward with clarity and confidence. Letting go does not mean accepting wrong actions or forgetting important lessons. It means choosing freedom instead of carrying emotional weight that no longer serves you. Successful and peaceful people understand the importance of protecting their inner world. They do not allow bitterness to control their decisions or define their future. Instead, they focus their energy on learning, improving, and creating a better life. They understand that their attention is one of their greatest resources, and they choose to invest it in things that help them grow. Replacing words of hate with words of understanding creates a powerful transformation within. Compassion, patience, and forgiveness are not signs of weakness. They are signs of strength and wisdom. When you release negativity, you create space for positive thoughts, better relationships, and new opportunities. Your future deserves your full energy, not the weight of old pain. Every moment spent feeding anger is a moment taken away from building the life you desire. Choose words that bring peace. Choose thoughts that create strength. And choose a mindset that allows you to move forward with confidence and freedom.